We'll guide you through how to use shaders with Fabric. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. What this means is that you can then go and use shaders while playing with mods. Shaders go and enhance the look of the game, they goes and adds sort of different lighting effects and shadows, and of course with mods it's a great combination. Go and open up a web browser like so of your choice. To get started, we need to go and get some mods. To go and get mods, I go to CurseForge. There are different sites out there as well, but you can come to curseforge.com, select Minecraft, and we can press browse all at the top, Fabric for mod loader, and then for the game version, we'll use 1.21.7. You can use different versions though. So in this case, I'm going to go and get Waystones. So I'll click here and then press Files. What we can then do is make sure we get it for Fabric on 1.21.7 and press Download File and wait. This pack does require Balm as well, so it's now downloaded. I'll click here, we can press Files and make sure we get it for Fabric on 1.21.7. We also need something called Fabric API, so you can search for that at the top, come and click on it, press Files at the top, and then make sure we get it for 1.21.7 as well. We can press the three dots and download the file. If it gets blocked, you may need to click it and press download. I've done it before and had no problems. Press back. Now what we need to do is press search at the top and we can go and type press Minecraft at the top like so and press browse all, come down to the left and browse by and select shaders. Now what you can do is go and choose a shader pack that you want. You may already have a pack in mind which you can get. In this case though, I'll get this one here. You can get multiple if you wish. At the top you can press files and we can then go and find it and we can press the three dots to the right and go and download it. Next, come to a new tab. You need to go and type in Iris Shaders Minecraft. Iris is how we can go and run shader packs with Fabric. So come to irisshaders.dev and you can then press download now and press download universal jar. Before we start the install process, a big shout out to the sponsors of this video, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to place for Minecraft servers. If you're interested, there'll be a link down below in the pinned comment and in the description. They've got so many great features. If we scroll down, we can start checking them out. For example, one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support, ultra latency instant setup, and so much more. So if you're interested, you can go and check them out down below. Now let's start the install process. So what you need to do is come to your file explorer and come to your downloads. Find the Iris installer and double click on it. It should go and open up like this. If it doesn't, it's because you don't have Java. So open up your web browser and go to java.com. Here you can go and download Java. Install it like any other application, return to the Iris installer, right click, hover over open with and press choose another app. Select Java and press always. Then what you need to do is go and select the game version as 1.21.7. And what's super key is you select Iris and Fabric. Press install and it now has. Open up the Minecraft launcher. Go to the top and press installations. What we then need to do is go and scroll down and go and find Fabric Loader 1.21.7. Of course, this is the version I'm using. Yours could be different and you can press open installations folder to the right. Scroll down and you need to go and find the mods folder. If you haven't got one, you can create it and come into it. Add in the Fabric API and then the different mods we got. I got these two here and we've now added them. Now what we can do is go and hover over it and press play. Here we are in a world. Now what we can do is go and add the shaders. So to do that, pause the game, press options and video settings, press shader packs and press open shader pack folder. What we then need to do is go and add in the pack. Drag and drop them in and then they'll go and appear. Make sure they're enabled and they're here, select them and press apply. And just to show you we've got mods installed, I can come and switch to page 2 and we've got the Waystones mod.